Hey, what's up guys? I hope that all of you are doing well. So finally there is a new update available for the Samsung Galaxy A34. So today in this video we will talk about that update. So to update it, you just have to simply go into your settings, and from here you have to scroll down and select software update. After selecting software update, you just have to simply click on download and install. From here you will get to see this new update. So this update includes some device stability improvement, bug fixes, and new or enhanced features with some further improvement to the performance. Talking about the update size, so this update is 273 MBs in size with the 1st September 2024 security patch. You just have to simply click on download and the update will start to download, and this download process might take a while depending on your internet connection speed. And once the download is completed, you just have to simply click on install now, but make sure to install this update when your device is completely free, as you will be unable to use your device in the installation process. And this installation process might take a while, so I will quickly fast forward this part of the video. Make sure your device is completely free at the moment of the installation process, as your device will be unable to use at the installation time. And finally, after waiting for a while, the update is installed on my Samsung Galaxy A34. As you can see, the One UI is now optimizing the apps. And now when you will check for the new updates by going into settings and download and install, you will get to see that your device is already on the latest version. After waiting for a while, as you can see, it is showing that your software is up to date and it is on the latest version now. This includes the security patch level of 1st September 2024. And that's a wrap for today's video. This was the new security patch update for the Samsung Galaxy A34. So you can update it to get the latest security patch on your phone. And that's a wrap for today's video. If you're new on the channel, so make sure to like and subscribe, as I will keep you updated with the new updates.